Hey you guys, welcome back to Miss D Talks. Today we're going to be in the kitchen cooking Crockpot easy meal, pork butt. We're going to have gravy, onions. We're going to use chicken broth, black pepper, salt, thyme, garlic, onion powder, and adobo. First we're going to get our pot ready by using a liner. Quick and easy, even in the cleanup. Here I've diced 2 large white onions. I've quartered them, not diced them. I'm going to lay that at the bottom of the pan. I've washed and patted dry my pork butt. Garlic, onion powder, black pepper, thyme, salt, and my go-to lately adobo. We're just gonna season this right on up. We're gonna make it like a rub. We're gonna press it in, and we're gonna make sure we have complete coverage of all the meat on all sides. I've already prepared my underside. Make sure you do that first before you lay it down flat on the onions, and that way all you have to do is take care of the top. One final good massage. Then we're going to add our chicken broth or any kind of stock that you might have. This is what I had in the fridge. We're going to cover this up, and we're going to place this in our crock pot on high. Here we go, 5 hours later. You guys don't know, but it smells so good. I'm going to retrieve some of the juices, and I'm going to use some self-rising flour, and I'm going to create a roux or a thickening. And it's going to get pretty thick. Here we are. And I promise you it's going to work. It's so much juice at the bottom of this pot. There we go. Trust in the process. Trust in the process. We're going to cover this up and return it back to the crock pot on high. And these are our final results. You guys, I want to thank you so very much for continuing to support this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. I promise you every comment, every like, every view keeps me motivated to keep going. I will be going off the air soon. This is the final video from out of my old kitchen. The next time I return, it will be in my new kitchen. Please continue to subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.